5 minus 5 times 5 and minus 5. 5 minus 5 is just 0. And again we have here 5 minus 5 equals 0. So 0 times 0. And 0 times 0 is just 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, because in PEMDAS multiplication comes before subtraction. In this expression we have one multiplication and two subtractions. So first we have to do this multiplication, okay, not this subtraction or this subtraction. So first we have to handle this multiplication. Five times 5 gives us 25. Okay, so we have 5 minus 25, and again here we have minus 5. Now we have two subtractions. And when we have more than one subtraction in one expression, we have to go from left to right. So first 5 minus 25, which equals negative 20. So negative 20 minus 5. And this is equal to negative 25. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just negative 25. The correct answer is negative 25.